Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought a small session on Jupyter Notebook. So I will show you here how to install the Jupyter Notebook and how to write and execute your Python codes in it. So it's a very good and very user-friendly IDE guys. So where you can see your output instantly in the same screen. So and also like step by step you can write the codes over there and you can execute and see the outputs. So let us begin with it. And if you're new to this channel, guys, please subscribe it for more new videos, and also please share this to your friends and colleagues. So first of all, there are two ways to install Jupyter Notebook. And install over here. So I will just install using your pip. So pip, like, so let's say like pip install Jupyter Notebook. Since I have this installed already, so it will say requirements already satisfied. But in your case, it will install all the required modules and dependencies. If you see, all the modules and dependencies are satisfied. Yep. So for launching it, it is also very easy. Just come, I'll close it. Just launching it, go to command prompt and just type Jupyter Notebook. And here you go. Like it's a web version of the ID. And we'll see. If you see, this is my ID. It's gonna open now. So here all the folders and all. So okay. So here I have the files over here and some text files. So I'll just write a small program on like on figuring out like what are the files to print all the file names available in this particular folder. So for this, what you need to do is like for writing a program, go to new and you can create a if you see here, you can create a Python file or you can create a normal text file folder or terminal. So here I will just create a normal Python file. So it will open in different tab. So here the beauty of it is like it's cell by cell, or you can say like you can write your code in block by block and you can view the outputs for each blocks. So let me say import OS. Okay, so this is one block. In one block itself you can write all the statements or you can have multiple blocks to have multiple outputs. So import OS. So like, so we can say like file equal to os dot list dir. So C drive. So I'll just list all the file names of over available over this path. If you see here, then print file. Now let me run the script. So if you select my all the file names available here, so this is one block. Now let me write another block of code where I will print out the files, only the print out only the files ending with .txt extension. So first of all, let me just have these files over here, and then now let us say for file in files. Okay, if file dot ends with .txt, print file. So now let us see. Now if you see like it is printing only the file. So it is very simple, right? So we know the files here. What are the files over here? So you can see like you have the inputs as well as outputs in the same ID, and you can also save the file name with your own save as, and you can always use there are lots of options like you can cut the cell, you can copy the cell, you can delete the cells, you can undo cells, you can split. So there are lots of options available over here. So you can write a single cell, say you can execute the single cell by pressing this, like wherever you are pressing a cursor, right, and just press the run, it will execute that particular cell alone. But if you want to run the entire execution, then you need to put entire cells, then you need to press this. So it will just restart. So it will say like you want to restart the kernel. So yes, let us see. So it will run the entire thing. Now see it ran the entire files. So this is how the notebook. This is how we can install and execute codes in a notebook. So guys, hope this is a useful tutorial. And in my upcoming videos, I will be showing you how we can perform API testing. So this is why I hit with this particular ID like Jupyter ID. So which I felt it very good for using performing API testing and all. So so guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so please do subscribe to my channel for more videos and also press the like button. So thank you for watching.